Hello guys, welcome back to day 4, I believe. Yeah, to our 24 days of Secret Santa. And today I'm going to be opening gift 4 for my Secret Santa. And it's in different paper today, and it's another softie. Okay, let's see. Oh, more towels. Oh, and look, they got recipes on here. Oh, look at this. Is this actual recipe? Yes, it is, because it says preheat. Oh my goodness, gingerbread cookies. And I don't I don't bake, but on occasion I will. But this is so cute. And is this towels again? Yep, I can do this the same way. I just love these towels. I went and bought them just at Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and I just bought towels just to do this to them. Just to it was microfiber too. I didn't notice that. I don't the other ones that I went open yesterday are. I remember the feel of them. I don't know. But yay! This is the ingredients on here are a recipe to make gingerbread cookies. I want to make some of these with the grandkids. Yay! Okay, thanks again, Secret Santa, for the beautiful towels. And again, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.